Hello everybody, I hope you're well. So today I'm just having a little mooch around town. It's gloriously sunny again. I've had a look in the crystal shop. I do like to have a look in those at the nice colours and the textures and just see kind of which crystals I am drawn to. Kind of gives me a little bit of a insight into my possible emotional state. So the crystals that I seem to be drawn to today were very much heart-centered and kind of grounding crystals. So things like smoky quartz, yeah, I could probably ponder that a little. However, I didn't purchase any today. So I think I found my perfect friend on the beach already, so that's been cool. However, I did buy a few of the, I've just come onto the rocky beach. However, I did purchase some incense sticks because I love the Nag Champa. It is my favourite one to meditate with. I just like the original scent, and I find it really relaxing, and to be honest it is one of my all-time favourite smells, and if I could have perfume in it I would. I think I have seen perfume once actually. I think it does exist. I tried to make some out of aromatherapy oil, but I just couldn't get the blend right. So if anyone knows a recipe that is similar to that would be great. I'll have to keep trying. So that's been my purchase today. I also bought myself a little cookery book from one of the National Trust properties, just in their like second-hand bookshop. They had a lovely book, but it was cooking with different brands. So in it has like a title about a brand and then underneath a recipe for that. And they're really simple recipes as well, and I just find that quite cool because I like vintage style things. So that cookbook leans towards, you know, vintage brands plus old-fashioned recipes too. So yeah, they've been my two things that I've found for myself. I don't want to take like loads and loads of stuff home, so I think my incense, my book and my little rock friend will be enough for me to pack and take home with me. Should we go down to the sea? Let's hear the waves. Anyway, I hope you're all well, sending you warmest of wishes, and I shall see you all again soon. Have a lovely day. Bye!